All right. Hi everyone. My name is Luis Antonio Rodriguez Aragon, and I am a current student of CIT 225. And this video is in regards of the assignment of week 2, reverse engineering website. So the reason I have two guys on my Zoom right now is me. It's just that my computer wasn't working, so I'm using my phone as the camera. I don't like Proctorius. So, I'm gonna read the case study real quick. You had the profitable first week at your new company, and you know how to use the MySQL command line interface tool. This week you will learn how to use structure, query language, SQL, mechanics to write queries, and how to reverse engineering websites. Your boss gave you a new task this week. You should pick a website that isn't too complex and attempt to reverse engineer and design. You should complete either a spreadsheet, query language, SQL mechanic to write queries on and how to reverse engineer a website and database. Okay, so I was besides the study material we had this week, I have to find some extra support on websites and videos on YouTube. So after watching to some videos, I have an idea on what do I need to present on this video. So I'm gonna start sharing my screen right now. Um, okay, so I have decided that I am going to do Facebook for the web engineering reverse thing. So the reason I am choosing Facebook, maybe it's because it was the first thing or the first web pages that I was going into when I was a kid or when I was younger. Um, uh, and then the most familiar that now looks super different, but by then it was using the right panel of the screen. But this is basically the information it asks when you don't have an account with Facebook. It's a sign up. It's quick and easy. So you have first name, last name, a mobile or email, new password, birthday, just to make sure you're older than 18, and gender. So, in the other hand, we have my example that I have previously logged in here. So, Facebook's data recognizes my username and all the information that I put there in 2010. So imagine how big is that data. But it actually reminds my username or my email that I put into this file previously, um, and the password that I'm gonna go right now. And I am going to focus more in like this side right now. That is the main page. Log in, create an account. Because if I go to Facebook, then it's gonna be a headache. It's just a bunch of things, and I am still getting familiar with the web engineering reverse thing. So I'm gonna go back here. Oh no. All right. Okay. So back to business. Here. So I was playing with this a little bit. I have never used my SQL Workbench or SQL. This is my first time interacting with this. So basically I decided to use an EER diagram. I don't know if that is the same thing that was being requested here in the assignment that says ERD, but I have this diagram. Um, so what I'm gonna do here is kind of go through it as I understand it. So here, when we go to the main page, I was mentioning the Facebook data will automatically recognize the data that I used to create an account or login previously. So all it asks for it's a username or username is same as email and a password. So right here, I was trying to play with this, but I couldn't. Every time I change it to binary or something like that, it will give me an error. So I need to find out how that works. But here found this really helpful. This is like an expression or description of what it needs. So in the username, it needs an identifier. It can be your last name and date of birth, or your email address, and any other stuff you want. Email. Email is your email address. So this one, it stands for personal something identifier, something that you can use in passwords too. So passwords is under the category of unique index. Username, it's a primary key and also a not null data there. And then if you go to the login, let's say that we already had an account before, then all it will ask for is two things, the username and password. And then if we could add here, we will add something like forgot password. And then it will throw us a bunch of like next steps to do. But as for now, username, it's a not know. This is something we know. Is nothing that the system will require, because we can put in there our email, the username we created, or we can put our phone number if we added it. And it is not an auto incremental because the system is not assigning our username to a new value, if that makes sense. Password, same thing. We created a password. We know the password. I guess it could be unique index on both of these. And forgot password will be some pages, not Facebook, but some pages they do generic passwords and change password after login, the first login or next login. So there's that. And then if we don't have an account, then we jump to the other query, which is create an account. And all it asks for is, right, was showing there, the first name, last name, mobile phone number, email, password, birthday, gender. So I kind of created same thing here and try to assign the values, but again, I don't understand the values really good. So first name, it's not unique. It's not something that the system will assign us. It's not something that the system changes when we put in a value. So it has to be not null because we put it whatever we want. Same as last name, um, date of birth. Many people born the same day with us, so it's again not null. And it's not well, and then gender, I did binary because it may change. There's nowadays more than just male and female, so um, um, I guess it could be non-null too. So here, how it will connect, it will be using this line right here and selecting here to this. No, that was not it. Like this to this. Oh, sorry about that. I'm gonna just move this here. So yeah, we're going to the main page of Facebook and redirect us to go to the login and create an account. In this kind of the values it asks for, and I try to change this VRHR16 codes. Again, I need to have an extra time and probably learn those codes and see which category goes with each of the like username, email, password values. But yeah, I hope this was something um, that was required in the assignment. And yeah, have a crazy good week.